Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy Phillips POV. We're back here with episode 3 of rebuilding my BMW E90. Sorry if my voice doesn't sound that good right now. I've been sick the past week or so, I've been just trying to get better, but I also have to get this done. So today we're going to be filming. We're going to start reassembling a lot of the things. Most likely going to take things off the old parts, put them on the new parts, and then see what we can start reassembling. I got most of the parts in the mail. I think maybe all of them. I just have to look back on that, but you guys were just seeing me. I'm gonna take the cover off. We're gonna start working on the car here. All right, and the reason I'm doing wide angle is just so you guys can see the whole view of what I'm doing as I work. First thing we're gonna do, guys, is right here there's this little screw that holds on to this pipe that's on the old radiator. We're gonna move that to the new radiator over there. So let's go ahead and move that right here. I'm gonna take this off, just unscrew this one screw here. There we go. Has a little gasket, make sure it comes out with it. Take that off right there. I'm just gonna directly put it on the new radiator. That way we don't have to worry about it later. There we go, guys. Now we got this thing attached here. We're gonna look through the rest of the radiator, make sure nothing else is missing. First thing we're gonna do is remove this piece right here. I believe this goes to the AC line right here. I think it's for the AC. It goes directly to the radiator / condenser area over here. So we're just gonna replace this pipe right here. It was crushed in the impact right here, so we figured we had to switch it. So I'm gonna work on getting this replaced. So before we replace this hose right here, we're gonna be replacing the serpentine belt. For reference, I'm gonna take a photo so I know where the belt goes back. All right, so we got the breaker bar right here. Now, we're gonna take out the serpentine belt. Tensioner is right here. You wanna go clockwise, boom. Just like that, you hold it and you can take the belt out. Don't get your fingers caught anywhere, it's gonna hurt. Once you guys get it out, some of the spots, it'll be easy to get out later. Just like that, boom. Just take this guy out now. Just like that. You guys can see it's cracked right in the center. You don't want to have that. Toss this guy. Got a brand new one from Continental. Boom, right there. Look at that. Let's take this guy out. You can compare it to yours. Make sure everything's the same. Now you're gonna begin feeding it back. I'm gonna do it based on my image because I don't have a photographic memory, so just gotta make sure I do it right. Have it as best as you can aligned. It self-aligns a little bit, but you still want to get it as aligned as you can. So should be good. You're gonna let it go. Boom. There it is. New serpentine belt. Now that we have that complete, we're gonna put this pipe back on. One thing I want to mention, on your radiator, at the bottom, the drain plug, you guys will see it right here. You need to unscrew this because you need to make sure for an automatic vehicle, you need to have the long drain plug, and for a manual vehicle, you need to have the short drain plug. This is the automatic one. We're gonna have to take out, we gotta take out the manual one, switch them out, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, before you put the radiator support on, what we did was we cut along the bottom plastic section right here, because right here this section extends a little bit further out, but whenever you have an upgraded intercooler like the one I have here, it's gonna butt up against it and you're not gonna be able to put the radiator support on. So after we got it cut, we're gonna continue assembling the front end. Alright guys, we finished episode 3 of rebuilding my car here. As you guys can see, we got majority of the front end put on here, radiator support, all the stuff underneath. For the next episode, we're basically going to be putting together everything else. I will record the hood and the bumper being repainted by a buddy of mine, and then the rest is just going to be assembling the fender liners, the headlights, putting the hood back on after it's painted, and the bumper, and that'll be it. So I will see you guys in the 4th episode in the next video. See you.